awful. Wow.
For dinner.
My little egg collector.
I will put
That's sick, actually.
gardening stuff.
Peasant work.
No! It's respectable. It's a respectable craft. What is he doing?
Okay, burning some holes in.
Ah, okay. Make a little
that's
garden bed.
Those holes look loyal.
Oh my gosh. Doc! We just started the video! Oh, that's
Oh, wow, nice.
that's quite cool, actually. Yeah.
Actually tried that. It's quite easy to make.
Yeah. See, this is how you do it. You just. So what I want to do is just reach my hand in there, twist it, and pull out
Okay.
all the seeds.
But they're planting it.
But they're planting it,
Yeah.
so
Look at that. Look at that. Right? Let's just
totally the
chop
same
it-
plant later.
Chop the roots off.
Ah.
And some styrofoam.
Is that a fish?
Yeah, it's a
Mini
fish.
aquaponics.
Is that fish gonna be okay?
Beautiful.
Probably not.
Right? Poke some hot holes in the plastic bottle.
Ah.
Now what? Boom!
Yes,
Oh,
sprinklers. That's cool.
And it's because of previous time?
Maybe it's a connection.
Yeah, it's connection.
You want to
Now
never
you
use
gotta-
this again?
Oh, gotta.
Ah! What if you want to clean it?
That's it. It's a one-time thing.
Yeah.
I think it will not dirty.
Look at that.
Yeah.
More
I don't know.
aquaponics.
I'm sure.
All right. What do we have here?
Ah, it'll make the flowers change color. Does that actually work though?
You know, kind of. Not really, but kind of.
Because I get it. I get the premise. Like, it absorbs the color water, and then... But really?
Is that a red beet?
Yeah, they actually fed it red water.
I think they could be.
Pantyhose.
Yeah, but just for one clan.
Now your birch tree is safe from ants.
Ah! I always have that problem with my birch trees.
All right. What's this? Poking some holes.
Okay, this seems to be a recurring theme.
Yes.
Poking holes.
Loyalty. All right.
Okay, so is it going to be another thing with water spraying out? Yes, kind
There
of.
we go.
Ah, it's a shower.
Okay.
Portable shower.
Portable.
Oh, she's happy.
She's really happy
happy,
about
she
it.
is.
Yeah, yeah.
I guess.
Ooh. Are those magic?
Magic. No, I don't believe so.
Okay. Is that horse manure?
Why is everything horse manure with you? Like,
I'm just.
we were at lunch earlier, he was all like, horse manure. And I was like, dude, stop.
It's a farming thing. Come on. What are those?
It's gonna make the color change again. I don't think that works.
We need to try it.
That was an
I think
editing
Jojo
thing.
tried this one, but I don't think it worked that well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did it work a little bit?
Maybe a little bit, yeah.
Theoretically, could be, but
That's satisfying. Just cleaning those edges off.
All right.
It's all
Depends on
about
the size.
size.
It's all about the size. Ooh.
Oh, yes! That's just
That's
It's
how you.
nice.
That's
That's
how you
beautiful.
clean your pipes.
I want to clean my pipes right now.
All right. Bit of glue. All right. It's a new fashion.
Ah, that looks awful. Wow,
For dinner.
My little egg collector.
I will put
that's sick actually. But she looks like an alien. That's
Is it time for what? What's it going through? What is the? Oh, it's that shredder.
Oh,
Thing.
so if your thing breaks, if you're,
All right.
I don't know what the word is for that thing, but you know what I'm talking about.
The thing. thing.
The thingy thing, the wacky
Yeah.
thing.
All right. What's that?
And now we're going to make the
Holes.
holes.
All right.
Oh, wow.
All right. Nestle bottle cap.
Ah, the money of the future
There
when the
we go.
apocalypse happens.
Yes. Caps. What was that game?
Fallout.
Fallout. That's the one.
I mean, what game? I don't play games.
What are you talking about?
All right. Now you can grate
Ah, kernel remover.
your Colonel who?
Colonel Mustard. I'm happy for her.
She deserves it.
Yeah.
All right. Little door into the tree's soul.
Hey, don't ruin that tree.
Yeah.
Ah, oh, wait, they're not
There
ruining
we
the tree.
go.
They're improving the tree.
They're improving the tree,
What's this
yes.
process called? Grafting?
It's called tree sticking.
I think it's grafting.
I believe it's tree sticking is the correct terminology.
Stick that tree. All right. Planting from an egg carton.
Ah, That's neat. That's it's a good system.
More plastic bottles. Recycling theme.
Yes, please
Love it.
recycle your bottles, everyone.
There we go. Important
What are they
message to
gonna
the
do?
viewers.
Take some fruits out, yeah?
Because she can't bend down, she's gonna use this little thing.
Yes.
Wow.
This
There
is
we
good
go.
for people with back pain if you're a gardener. A lot of people gardening like actually bend over a lot, so I'd imagine that's a problem.
I need to show my granny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Alright. Mice. No! They're probably deafened from that.
Are they okay?
Oh.
Ah, they're okay.
At least
Nice.
they ate all the seeds.
Yeah.
That's good. Well fed. Alright, what's this? Little contraption.
What is this?
It's like a bazooka.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, potato
That's
planter.
smart. Alright,
Yes.
not bad. Not bad.
I
Not
approve.
bad at all.
Alright, what's she doing? Okay. 4 sticks in the earth.
Is something gonna grow up the stick
Earth is that?
potentially? Oh, she's making a little cut-off area.
Alright.
Ah, that's cool.
Little
It looks like a
greenhouse?
giant spider web.
It might be a little greenhouse.
I want to live in it.
Okay.
I want to be the spider.
Oh look, she pre-made the roof.
Yeah.
Okay. It's a sweat lodge.
And now you can't breathe.
It's a sweat lodge.
She's trying to get out. Like ah.
Oh, there we go. There's
Okay.
the door.
Yeah.
Fresh air.
That's sweet.
Lovely.
Really nice greenhouse. Cool.
Not bad, not bad.
Dirt,
Nice. Seeds.
and that's it.
Roll it up.
Wrap your furniture in it. Make it all messed up.
Okay, saving space for what?
Saving private space.
Alright.
Keep this. Keep this.
Okay.
Yes.
What is that?
It's a bottle.
For what?
I believe it's
Ah.
to protect the bottom of your things.
your tree.
That's neat.
That's smart.
I feel like the weed whacker could still probably cut through it though.
Probably.
Yeah.
Depends on the setting, right?
Yeah.
Alright, this is how you harvest lettuce? Okay.
Let us see.
No!
going
That
with
was a
this.
good one. That was
Yeah.
a good one.
I'm gonna keep doing it. And you shouldn't have said it was good.
Wait, they already did this one, didn't they?
Yeah, they did.
Huh. Recurring theme.
What is this? What is this garbage?
You want
Give me-
ingenuity!
Give me new innovative things.
There we go, organizer. Let's put
Here we
some
go.
soil in it.
That's cool.
Alright, there's and it's like full drainage into the other plants. That's nice.
Very, very cute.
She
Yeah.
looks happy. Bye. Alright. Paper.
Wheat grains.
What now?
I assume they're gonna grow.
Whoa, snow? Because
Ah.
you just have snow lying
Snow,
around.
yeah, just grab
Hold
some
on, let me
snow.
grab my snow. There we go.
Is it
all-
a fake snow? No. Is it?
I don't know. Hot water? But wouldn't that melt the snow?
Where do you get snow in summer?
From your feet?
Colonel Mustard's like, no, don't remove me.
Alright, it's a honey apple.
Apple.
Apple. What now? It's for the birdies, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's really
Are-
cool. I like that.
Oh, so kind.
I'd eat that.
That looks like a real bird, for sure.
Definitely.
Okay, oh no, my plant's dead. What now?
What do I do?
Don't worry, I've got it sorted. Let me get my trusty pallet here. And another trusty pallet.
Ah,
And now,
it just looks like they're gonna push it over and crush the plant.
now we'll just
Put it to its final resting
put
place.
this wire mesh on top, exactly. Staple.
Stable!
Oh, to the rescue. And I'm gonna hide my
Ah!
dead plant in here.
Oh, it's gonna be like a really nice vine
There
thing
we
going
go.
on. Yeah.
Endemic. Okay.
Vaseline. All right. Ah, now your snails can't eat your leaves. I always have that issue.
It just slide.
Yeah. We should make a snail slide.
A snail slide.
That would be really fun to watch.
What is that? What are they doing there?
That's probably.
Ooh, that's the previous pantyhose birch tree with the ants.
Ah, so this is just a compilation.
Smell of beer.
What?
I like the smell of beer.
Same,
too.
bro.
Alright, some soda.
I always knew snails were bros.
Snail bro. Alright, those spiders.
Sharing a cold one with my
Spiders?
snail bro.
They
Look
look
at
like
them.
spiders, yeah.
I hate spiders.
Me too.
Alright. Well, that's what it's used for anyway.